Hi, and welcome to Skagway, Alaska. This is the small town with the big history, and it's one of the most popular port stops for you Alaska-bound adventurers. It doesn't matter what you're looking for, whether you want history, whether you want to explore the great outdoors, whether you just want to see what there is to do, Skagway has something unforgettable for you to experience. Hi, I'm Anna from Waves and Wandering, and Skagway is one of those places that just takes you back in time to the Klondike Gold Rush. And whether you're interested in the history of the town, shopping, or scenery, Skagway has it, and it's just a short walk from your cruise ship. Your ship is going to dock pretty much right downtown, and you just have a quick walk to get to all of the most interesting parts of this port. One of the top attractions here in Skagway is the White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad. Now, don't forget to have your passports handy because you will be going into Canada's Yukon territory. And although most Alaska ports only require your government-issued photo ID like a driver's license, you will need your passport here. But this historic train ride takes you along the original route that gold seekers followed during the Klondike Gold Rush. You'll climb up into the mountains, cross over bridges and through tunnels, and you will experience the most stunning views of waterfalls, glaciers, and the rugged wilderness. This is a journey you don't want to miss. Now, don't be put off by the price of the railroad. If you want to keep this a little bit budget friendly, or you're traveling with a lot of people and everybody doesn't want to spend the amount of money it will cost to take the White Pass Railroad, look for a bus excursion. The bus excursion is going to run you around $70, and it takes you pretty much the same route as the train. But the big benefit to the bus is you're likely to stop for multiple photo opportunities that are not to be missed. Want a deeper dive into Skagway's Gold Rush history? Head on over to the Klondike Gold Rush National Historical Park. You can visit restored buildings from the late 1800s and learn about the harrowing journey the prospectors took to reach the Yukon. It's a fascinating glimpse into a pivotal time in Alaska's history. Are you feeling a little more adventurous? Because I was not. I stayed on the bus. But the Chilkoot Trail is a must. This historic trail was the primary route for the prospectors heading up to the Klondike. And while the full hike takes several days, as you could imagine, you can explore the first few miles on a day hike and experience the same wilderness and beauty that those gold seekers encountered. After you're done your Klondike adventures, take some time and wander Skagway's historic downtown. The buildings have been lovingly preserved and recreated to maintain their gold rush charm, and you'll find plenty of unique shops, local art galleries, even saloons where you can grab a drink and imagine the tales of fortune and hardship from over a century ago. Skagway is one of the best ports if you're craving that iconic Alaska adventure. Go dog sledding on a glacier. You'll start with a thrilling helicopter ride that takes you high above the glaciers, then land on a remote spot where you can mush your own team of huskies, and they're so cute, through the ice. It's truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I will warn you though, the Alaska weather can be a little unpredictable, so have a backup plan just in case you can't take that helicopter ride. An option for you guys that are adrenaline junkies: zip lining. That's right, you can zip line through Alaska's dense forests and over rushing rivers, a perfect way to experience some of Skagway's wild side. You'll get your heart racing while surrounded by the most breathtaking scenery. And if you're just here for the bears, well, Skagway is also an incredible spot for wildlife watching. Whether you take a boat tour, explore the coastline on foot, you need to keep your eyes peeled. You might see bald eagles, sea lions, even orcas. Alaska's wildlife is always close by. Just remember, keep a safe distance, be on the lookout for the unexpected. You never know where these things are going to pop up. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Skagway, Alaska. Again, whether you're here for the history, the wildlife, the scenery, it will be here for you. And don't forget, if you want to book your Alaska adventure, reach out to me, Anna at wavesandwandering.com, or drop a message in the comments. We even have some group cruises coming up for 2026, so be on the lookout for information about that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and boop the bell if you'd like more information and to be notified as soon as we post something new. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to click the link below if you'd like to receive our newsletter. Okay. Oh, look at the whales.